Hello, in this video I will show you how to use log search in an NXLog platform. So you will be able to find some specific events stored in the NXLog platform database. So when we are on the log search page, we have a search bar and it allows us to do full text search. For example, I am interested in events which contains in a message failed password phrase. So let's just type this phrase, failed password. We can hit enter or click the search button here, and the platform will show us the records where in a message we have a failed password phrase. So full text search is case insensitive, so that's why we see those messages starting with capital letter. So clicking on some particular event, we can see details here on the right side. We can scroll to see additional information like all the fields. And of course we can add more condition to filter exactly the records we need. So we can click this plus button and select add filter. So for example, I want to see only the records from the host names which contains demo. So let's create the filter and let's name it like host demo, field name, host name. We can use different operators. So in this case, I will use operator like. And click save and apply. So now I will see only the records which contains failed password in a message field and the demo in a host name. Of course, we can add more conditions here. So for example, we can add some filter related to the date time, event date time. So we can name it like event date. We need to find it, so we can use different options, event receive time or event time. We can use the operator, so let's use greater than, and we need to specify some date and time. So for example, I'm interested in all the events after 10th of February. So I need just select it and click apply. Now save and apply. And I will see just events which happened after this point of time. Let's see what we can do else. So in the message field, we have some information related to the event, right? So we can see that there is a user specified which was used during the connection via SSH to the server. So we can um, use this username as a condition. So for example, I'm interested in all the events which are related to the failed password, but and contains the root user. So we can add one more filter, specify the name, root user. We will do it for message field. We will use like operator and put root here. Now our filter applied, we can see only the events where the root user was used in this attempt to connect to the server. One more option is advanced mode. So clicking here on the toggle button, we are switching to advanced mode. So here we have SQL-like searches. So our filters, they are transformed to SQL-like format, and we can edit it or add new conditions. So for example, now I'm not interested in the root users used in those events, but in all others. So I can add just not here, and I will see all the events with a failed password in a message and with different usernames, but not with a root at the moment. Yeah, so log search is a nice tool to find the right events stored in the database. Thank you very much.